Toyota Corona 5th generation, T100, T110, T120, 1973. August 31, 1973 saw the introduction of the Corona T100 series, which continued to be built as a 2-door or 4-door sedans, a 2-door hardtop coupe, T110 chassis coats, and as a 4-door station wagon, marketed as a van for commercial use in Japan. Chassis codes 100 to 105 were reserved for sedans, with 106 to 109 for vans. The 110 to 115 was for the hardtop coupe, while 116 to 119 was for the wagon versions. The 120 series model codes were used for late series facelifted models in the Japanese market fitted with the new emissions control TTCC motors. The 2-speed automatic was no longer offered. The facelift revised the hood and grille, and enlarged the tail lights. The station wagon featured optional wood panel body claddings. Engines were 1.6, 1.8 and 2.0-liter SOC units. In North America, the 20R 2.2-liter engine was used. The high-performance 2000 GT sedan and hardtop coupe with 18RG twin-cam engine were only offered in Japan. Yamaha supplied the alloy head for these high-performance normally aspirated engines fitted with twin Mikuni Solix 40mm side draft carburetors and a compression ratio of 9.7 to 1. Gearbox was the Porsche-type Synchro Mesh 5-speed P51 coupled to a 4.1 F-Series limited slip differential, giving a claimed top speed of 200 km per hour, 125 miles per hour. In 1972, a new set of performance coupes is introduced on the Corolla platform called the Corolla 11 and Sprinter Trueno. North American models had longer bumpers, hiding recoverable bumper shocks, to meet local 5 miles per hour, 8.0 kilometers per hour, impact standards. They gained standard radial tires in 1975. Side door impact upgrades were installed in all doors. This series also saw the standard, on some models, electro sensor panel which monitored fluid and bulb status. As with earlier Coronas, some models had a shifter mounted on the steering column. Sales of the Corona continued to grow as a result of the 1973 oil crisis. The 2-door hardtop continued, with trim levels 1600 GL, 1800 Senior and the 2000 Senior, with the coupe proving popular in the US but more popular yet in Japan. The 2-door sedan, meanwhile, sold well in the United States but very little in Japan, and this was the last Corona to be offered in this body style. The Corona saw new competitors in both Japan, Europe and the United States from the Honda Accord in 1976, and the Subaru DL in 1974. The advantage the Honda and Subaru had over the Corona was that both vehicles were front-wheel drive, while the Corona was rear-wheel drive. In response to the Japanese government's passage of emission control regulations, Toyota introduced the Toyota TTCV, Vortex, on the 80 PS, 59 kilowatts, 19R engine only, using an exhaust gas recirculation implementation. In Japan, the 12RU engine was designed to run on LPG for taxi usage, starting in October 1975. To meet new emissions regulations, the 1.6-liter 12R engine was replaced by the more modern 2TJ in commercial models. The 18RE engine with fuel injection that was used in the 2000 SL and 2000 Senior discontinued production due to emission issues. In November 1975, the 1800 saw the removal of the twin carburetors due to emission regulations, which meant the discontinuation of the 1800 Senior Coupe. June 1976 saw the installation of a catalyst system included with the TTCC system.